Hello everyone, welcome to this series Inventions for Life. This machine can save one of the world's biggest problems, pollution. Yes, you heard it right, pollution.
Hi, I am Dr. Sridhar, inventor of Biochest, an organic waste composting system for bulk waste generators.
According to data, the world is dumping 5.5 million tons of solid waste daily into the landfills. If composted, we can convert 30,000 acres of farming land organic and chemical fertilizers free.
After finishing my PhD, I want to give back something to the society from what I learned. So I collaborated with VNS Biotech Private Limited and we designed this entire machine within the span of just 6 months.
Just dump your organic waste into the machine and bam, it converts it into compost. Yes, from smelly waste to earthy good looking compost. Collect the compost and apply it to your plants and fields. The entire machine works on the principles of microbiology and soil biology.
We made a consortium of tailor-made microbes in our laboratory which can able to convert your waste into compost within a fortnight. The machine pumps huge amount of atmospheric oxygen into the vessel. Utilizing the available oxygen, the microbes present inside the vessel converts your waste into compost in a rapid phase.
It's fully automated and the world's first affordable natural organic composting system. It even works without a heater.
While you are hearing this, Biochest machines are working around the world to stop hundreds of tons of waste entering landfills.
To bring more inventions to your doorsteps, please click this subscribe and bell button. Click the link given below to go to the invention website.
I hope this invention makes the earth a better place to live.
Today's video quiz. How much kilogram of food waste you produce at your home? Please give your answers below in the comment sections and help the scientists to invent a device for cleaning your kitchen waste. Thanks for watching. Share this amazing invention. See you on another episode of Inventions for Life.